School Math Lab Tutors Training. It has been found that learning mathematics through the Maths Lab activities, students become intelligent, innovative and inventive. Therefore, Math Lab is mandatory in CBSE affiliated schools since 2005. Tutors are trained to conduct Math Lab activities in CBSE schools.
मैथ लैब एक्टिविटीज़ के द्वारा छात्रों को इंटेलिजेंट, इनोवेटिव और इन्वेंटिव बनाया जाता है। मैथ लैब एक्टिविटीज़ के माध्यम से छात्र मैथमेटिकल फार्मूले की सत्यता प्रमाणित कर सकते हैं। मैथ लैब इज मैंडेटरी इन CBSE affiliated schools since 2005, but due to non-availability of trained staff, the mission is unsuccessful.
First edition of Math Lab activities workbooks from class 6 to 12 were published by Messr Lakshmi Publication, New Delhi in 2003. These books were authored by Professor S.K. Mahajan. In view of popularity of books, NCERT made Math Lab mandatory in 2005 for all CBSE affiliated schools. In 2008, Professor Mahajan obtained IPR from HRD Ministry, New Delhi for global math, in which new concept of positioning objects in space is explained. Since the inception of civilization, we have been learning and teaching that minimum 3 elements are required to make a congruent triangle. Math Lab activities gave new postulate that to make the congruent triangle only 2 elements are sufficient.
Training is imparted for following activities in Math Lab. 1. Understanding basics of geometry to make figures such as triangle, quadrilateral, or any polygon, circles with given data. 2. Use geometrical shapes to make profiles of image objects like rabbit, duck, football player, letterbox, etc. 3. Use geometrical figures to verify mathematical formulae like square of, plus b, Pythagoras theorem, value of pi, etc. 4. Develop mathematical models for determination of following. 1. Deriving an algorithm for water quality assessment. 2. New postulate to make congruent figures with minimum number of ground data observations. 3. Resultant of concurrent forces acting at a point. 5. Conducting case studies of environmental forces affecting the success in space research projects. Training of Math Lab tutor for science or engineering graduates is only for 3 months. After the training, proficiency certificate is awarded. Trained people may get jobs in schools or they may start their own Math Lab training center. Therefore, after graduation, people need not waste time to prepare for any competitive examinations to get government jobs. For any more inquiry, contact Sharda Printers Authorized Distributor in Chhattisgarh. Mobile number is given on the screen.
Appeal to form AR Mathematics Club. I request math faculty members of all institutions to form Assertion Reasoning Club to revive the concept of Math Lab activities. In each institution, students and staff must join and form this club to boost mathematics intelligence. The club members will meet time to time and discuss upon any mathematical concept, its assertion and reason behind it. All members must participate actively in the discussion and vote for truth or false in present infrastructure. The organizers must prepare a report of the outcome and communicate their findings to us, so that appropriate measures may be taken to update mathematical knowledge of the society. Please send your likes for the motion and subscribe the channel so that we remain in touch with each club member's activities. Thank you. Our email ID and contact details are given on the screen.